Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an invitation letter for Australia visa. What is an invitation letter for Visa Australia? A letter of invitation for an Australia visa is a letter written by a citizen or legal resident of the Australia, addressed to a foreigner with whom they have family ties or friendship, inviting them to stay over at their house. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an invitation letter for Australia visa step by step. Check this out. First of all, you will have to write your personal information. Just like any other letters, write your full name. And under it, write your home address that is located in Australia. Make sure you write the complete address. Which means, don't forget to mention the number, street, city, state, and zip code. You can also add phone number and email here, it is optional. If you have done with your personal contact information, now, write the date of the letter. In this example is October 9, 2023. Now, write the personal information about the recipient or the person you want to invite to come to Australia. Write the full name. And under it, write the home address. In this example, the one that the writer invites lives in the United Kingdom. So, write the full address including the number, street name, city, state and zip code. And finally, you may open the letter with salutation like dearest followed by the nickname of the recipient. Since this is not formal letter, feel free to open the letter. In the first paragraph, write to the point that you are inviting the recipient to visit you in Australia. You have to state it first so when the recipient requests for visa, the embassy can find the word invitation easily. And write the reason why you are inviting the recipient. In this example, it is for the writer's son's birthday party. In the second paragraph, write more about the event or occasion that you want the recipient to come to visit you in the Australia. Of course, you have to write the date of the event, by including the month, date, and year. And request the recipient to come in advance since it is an international trip. 1 week earlier for example. And write the details what the recipient will do during her or his visit. In this example, the writer needs the recipient to handle the birthday party. Which means, the recipient will be the event organizer. And write your personal messages like you want the recipient to help you as a family and so on. In the third paragraph, you can tell more about the event, and about what you and the recipient will do during the visit. In this example, the writer elaborates more about the event organizing. The recipient will handle all the things since the writer's husband cannot help. Yes, in this letter, You have to mention the relationship of you with the recipient. And from this letter we can see that the writer is the recipient's aunt. In the last paragraph, write your personal messages to the recipient. Mention that you ask the recipient to go for a trip or something. Don't forget to mention something about visa here. It will help the recipient in submitting the documents. And it will be useful for her or his workplace just in case she or he requesting for days off from work. And you can also invite other family members too along with this letter. You don't have to write another letter if the person leaves the same house with the recipient, her mom for example. You can state implicitly your relationship with the recipient's mom. In this example, the recipient's mother is the sister of the writer. Mention that you personally miss the person, and show your excitement to meeting them in Australia. And close the letter with warm words like "I miss you, lots of love," and so on. You don't have to write sincerely or best regards since it is informal letter. But still, including your signature and full name is a must. It is for the sake of visa submission for the recipient. So, that's how you write an invitation letter for Australia visa step by step. You have to include all the information just like the video mentioned. You can do it implicitly since it is personal information. Just make sure the embassy officer can find all required information in the letter. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. See you soon.